All right, welcome to Options Traders GPT. I am Dr. Christian Anise, and we're going to go over today, can you make $100 at the least in just trading IWM? All right, so we are using, of course, Options Traders GPT. Definitely a great resource and tool for you to have if you are a beginner and you're trying to become a winner. It's all about education. All right, so let's get into it. So what matters is the liquidity. So IWM is very liquid, all right? So you have tight spreads equals easy fields, all right? That's really important. I used to be heavy on SPY, and now I'm all about IWM. SPY is just too slow for me now. Like it's like a downer. Like it's not as exciting as it used to be. I don't know. Maybe it's just because now I know what I'm doing, but if you like SPY, that's what's up. But I'm into IWM. That's why I wanted to have this conversation. Now, also with IWM, you have cheap contracts. So you can often trade it with $100 to $300 per position, okay? And then the volatility, IWM moves enough intraday for 20 to 50% moves in options, which is great. And consistency, it follows clean volume zones, fair value gaps, and EMAs, ideal for structured trades. And then the scalp and swing ready. So I love to scalp. Those that have followed my journey knows that I love to scalp. I'm in and out like double dutch. But you can scalp, with 1 day contracts or hold for 1 to 2 days swings if you want to. All right. Now, realistic math, because the question was basically, can you earn $100, consistently a day using just IWM? And you can, but again, when it comes to the stock market, let's just put that disclaimer out there. It is not a guarantee that you're going to win, all right? Whatever you put in, you should be okay with losing, because it can happen. It will happen, all right? And we call that paying your tuition in the market, all right? So get used to it. I mean, it's just part of it. Scare money don't make none, period, point blank. All right, so realistic math with the $100 goal, one contract at $100 is 100% move. So your profit would be $100. Two contracts, $75, 70% move, that's 105. One contract at 150 with a 67% move, that's $100. Three contracts, if you're ready for all of that, at $50, 70% moves, that's 105. So yes, it is very possible to catch a 30 to 70% move per day on 1 to 3 contracts. And I've actually done it before, so more than once. So it is realistic, but at the same time, have I lost? Yes, I have. But I'm really strict on risk management. Like when I see that I'm down, like not even 20% anymore. If I'm down like 10 to 15, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, it's a possibility it can turn around, but I'm not about to take that chance. Okay. I'm funny like that with my money because I use my own money. I don't have funded accounts. All right. So we can't play with it like that. Now, how to do it daily, and this is the routine. Basically, you can just follow it. It's a pre-market plan. If you have Options Traders GPT, you can go into full depth because you have access to this 24/7. For those of you who are just following along, you can just pause it, write down everything. This is your game plan right here. All right, this is your daily routine, free game from Options Traders Academy and Options Traders GPT. Now, the catch, what trips traders up? And this is serious, so let's focus in on this. Over trading. We've all been there. We all do it, all right? I still do it. I do it also because I'm teaching a lot, so I do tend to over trade on days where I really should be sitting out. I'm still trading because I'm teaching as well. So 1 to 2 trades a day max, really. Focus on A-plus setups. Don't focus on gambling and assuming what it's going to be. Follow the trend, follow the flow, all right? No plan. Use a trade journal. Know why you're entering and exiting, okay? Don't just get into a trade just because. Don't do that. You're gambling, all right? Have a reason and use your journal. Even if it's a piece of paper, or a notepad, just journal what has happened for that day or for that week. Revenge trade. I mean, everybody is guilty of this. We all revenge trade. We've all done it. But you need to stop that. If you lose money, which you're going to lose money, stop. Just stop trading after one red trade. Wait for the next day. It's okay. The market is not running out of money. And that's what I have to repeat to myself constantly. The market is not running out of money. So just chill out, all right? Chasing. Wait for retracements into structure. Don't buy tops. Let's repeat that. Wait for retracements into structure. Do not buy tops, okay? Stop chasing. We don't chase, we react. All right, and then stop losses. Now, I'm guilty of this. I don't do stop losses, but you definitely should do stop losses, especially if you're a beginner. Always define risk before entering, okay? And then it goes into if you want the GPT to set up, a simple one contract IWM strategy for $100 a day goal, it will do that for you. I'm telling you guys, like, trade smarter, not harder. You don't have to work so hard. Like, this GPT is not like just a regular GPT at all. It has so much information. We literally just updated it. We keep it updated. I keep feeding it information so that it can help you with the educational part and not just the setups and, the sentiments and all of that stuff. This Options Traders GPT is specifically engineered to help you go from beginner to winner. So if you don't have access to it, I strongly suggest you download it now so that you can get this type of information 24/7.